Dear students, now we will see the sign of negatives. Third sign is doubt. Fourth sign is nagging. Fifth sign is constantly complaining. Third sign is doubt. When you constantly doubt yourself, your spiritual master, and most importantly, God, you are being negative, it is okay to ask questions, but if you are on the path of spiritual, you must replace doubt with faith. Trust your master and God. This is only positive thinking. Make sure yourself that you trust God and do not doubt Himself. Say yourself that I am trusting God. I am trusting God in any situation. This will change yourself. If not, your spiritual or soul will be weakened. Your spirit survey only on faith in God. Fourth sign is nagging. Nagging is spiritual wrong. It is a form of mental torture. It comes out of self-ego and lack of understanding, and also is an act of selfishness. When parents are nag their children, it is very harm. When you nag others, you are against God. Be kind to others. Show your love. This only gives your positive vibrations in your body. Fifth sign is constantly complaining. A negative person does not know the meaning of happiness. It is essentially to count your blessing. Focus the positive. Don't focus on the negative. If you focus the gift what we have, all positive things will arise, then your life will change. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.